Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to quill.org. So you can see the URL here, which is quill.org. And the reason I've decided to show you this one is actually because I'm partnered with a new partner this year for AP Language, and she's really into using Quill, and I am a little bit behind on getting on board. So I thought this opportunity of this assignment would give me a chance to explore a little bit more and get my students set up. So that's why I selected Quill. Now, as you can see, it says free tools to make your students better writers. And then the subheading is Quill provides free writing and grammar activities for elementary, middle, and high school students. So if you're creating a new account, you'd go here to sign up. I have an account already, though I've barely used it. And so that's what we'll be accessing today. So if we go in, my coworker actually signed me up as her co-teacher. So you'll see that it looks like I have tons and tons of activities, but sadly that's not me, that's her. My class is this one here with this zero out of 26 students who have done anything. Okay, so if we look at it, the main benefits here, she said to me, and what I'm finding from looking at it, is there's a variety of activities. So there's a diagnostic, so you can find out your student's writing level. There's grammar, there's proofreading, you can have teacher-led group lettings. And then a lot of my students say that she's used this for in the past, so something we'll probably get into is this combining sentences. We teach AP language, so working on their, I guess you could say, fundamental language skills is really important to us. Under the Teacher Center, there's lots of resources for how you can use it in class and as homework. So such as getting started and video tutorials and best practices and FAQ. There's support as well. So it's a free program. There is a paid version of it, so there is a premium version of it. But I'm not really sure. We can go there and have a look. I know that she had worked on getting a subscription for it, and it was $80 per teacher per year. And then for the whole school or district would be 1,800. So it gets to be quite expensive. Currently, we're just using the basic version, which I think is satisfying the need that we have for the program. So let's see how to get started. Well, we've started an account. Next, you would go into classes. There's my class. So far, 3 students have joined. You can create a new class here, giving it a name and a grade, and then it will provide you with a class code, and then you can just share that with your students and they can join it through their own personal devices. So in the classroom, you could use it that you had everyone set up and you were working on a specific skill. Maybe you'd done a mini lesson on it, and then you were kind of roaming in the room as students did practice on it. I could also envision doing it in groups because I really like when students produce knowledge collectively or cooperatively. So I would maybe have one iPad set up between two and have them working together. I think dialoguing through your thought process when it comes to writing and sentence creation, especially for ELL students, which my whole student population is in ELL, are ELL students. I think that would really be a good way to use it in class with the teacher roaming around and answering questions and checking as results come in and deciding from the results what you still need to work on and that kind of thing. And as homework, we set it so that they're doing work on it every week, or we should be. I haven't got there yet. And then as far as the Bloom's taxonomy, I think that this program is accessing the understanding level and the applying level. So it's helping students to grasp new skills when it comes to their grammar and sentence construction, and to practice a lot so that they can see how the sentences go together. And hopefully that will help our students as well in the SAT, because the SAT has a lot of writing-based questions. As well, the AP language has 50% of the multiple choice questions are writing-based. So we're really targeting those products, but we're also trying to improve our students' overall writing skills. As far as the SMAR level, I would say that this is augmentation, because it takes the kind of basic grammar and sentence construction level, which I could do using, worksheets and that kind of thing in class, but this takes it to a level of increased differentiation, increased feedback, increased level of practice. So I think we are augmenting the process here. And yeah, so then basically I can set work. So let's see if I can get into this class that I did create. Sorry, here we go. Assign activities. and I'm still in the diagnostic phase. So you can do a writing diagnostic, and then you can go through all of these packs, and it even has Springboard and pre-AP and AP activities. So that's what we'll be doing with our students in our AP language class. And then once you've assigned it, it goes into the students' activities, and then they do the activity, hopefully. And then after that, you're able to get student reports. So you're able to see where your students are being successful and where they need additional practice. And so hopefully, my colleague is telling me great thing or has told me great things about this program. So hopefully we will get a lot of good data from the program, and from that be able to assign activities that are best suited to our students' needs. And that, I believe, is Quill. So do write to me if you have any questions about it as I go on my journey of using it in my class. I'm going to be working on that this week, and I'll let you know how that goes. Thank you.